Toyota Tundras should have come like this from the factory. Hey, welcome to Drift Overland. My name's Nate, and today we're gonna install these bad boys. These are the form lighting taillights. These are the smoke version. They do have a regular version and a smoke version. I'll leave a link down below, so let's install them. The tools that you're gonna need are a pry tool or a trim removal tool. You're gonna need a 10 mil socket wrench. You can also use like one of those electric torque wrenches, and then needle nose pliers. These will help a lot with all of the little tabs and things that are inside the light that you need to release. Other than that, you just need your two hands and you're pretty much good to go. If you're having a hard time figuring out which one's right or left, it is showing you right here. You can kind of see it without the glare in the way. There's the reverse light. The reverse light is down. So the reverse light goes down and then this section faces inwards. So this one, which is the right, goes on the right side of your truck, and this goes on the left side. I know, kind of confusing. They should have used driver and passenger, but it's all good. Okay, the first part is pretty simple. You are going to take your 10 millimeter wrench, make sure that it's set, and just start cranking on these bolts. If you have an electric socket wrench, this might go a lot faster. But really, it's not too bad. This is where it would be better. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this thing off. So, all right. So there's a couple of snaps right here that are holding them in, and I mean, there's one down here and then one up here. That's just holding it in place. This is where you're gonna need your needle nose pliers. There's a little, hopefully you can see this. There's a little clip back here. You just need to push it together and then push it out of here. So you're gonna have to remove it from here, right here, pull this off. And essentially what you're doing is you're just taking the old wiring harness and you're just popping it out. So there's a couple things under here. You just gotta push those, pull that section out. And then we're going to remove these factory clips. There's one from the wiring harness and two. And then that'll be the factory wiring harness. You'll just have to re-prep that new light because this one has the luggage switch on it. You can see it right here. And so we have to take this off. So we're gonna take these two off, and then we're gonna take this little guy right here, and we're gonna pop that guy off, and we're gonna put him on the new light. Okay, this one here is the form light, and this one is the OG. So what we have to do is take the luggage switch out of here. And so you just undo these right here. Okay, I'm going to transfer over the luggage switch to the form light. Get these all buttoned up. Okay, so we have to transfer over this from the old light. Let's get the trim pry tool here. Let's see if we can pop this thing off. Okay. You gotta get this little guy off. And once you get that off of your lamp, then go ahead and put it on the new one. Okay, this is where things get just a little bit dicey because it's a little bit of electrical work, but it's not too bad. Don't worry about it. So what we're gonna do is take your reverse light harness. This is like the secondary reverse light harness that they give you. Take this and you're just gonna feed it down through this section of your taillight. You'll see, you'll see the ability to go past your bumper and then straight through to the other side. We'll try to get you a little bit of a video of how it's supposed to be done. But you just want this little guy to be hanging out just enough right here so that you don't have to worry about it, and then we'll go underneath. All right, let's try to do this as simple as possible under here. This is your new reverse light wiring harness. It needs to go up and over the frame rail. See this guy? So put it over the frame rail, then it goes in to that guy right here. So you take this OEM switch, pop this guy off. Okay, so the red tab goes down. This is real-time struggle right here with one hand. Okay, Now, once that is on, push the red tab all the way in. Once that goes in, you can then take this end right here and then plug the old wiring harness into that. So you have this section of your wiring harness that's plugged into OEM, and then this is the form lighting harness that gets plugged into your reverse lamp. This can get pinned up or zip tied back to clean it up, and then you can clean up this cord which runs through there, up and out. All right, here's where it's coming out and where we fed it in there. And then this guy's just gonna hang out up here until we add the second section of our wiring harness. And then this is going to get attached to here and then attached to the existing OEM wiring harness, plus this. Take the amp connector, throw it on, boom, and then throw this one onto here. This is your reverse taillight adapter. Okay, this one is just gonna be kind of hanging out because it goes to the luggage switch. This is for the actual taillight itself, or like the main taillight. All this is really tricky to film, but you take your luggage switch adapter and do your best to attach it. Luggage switch goes on here. And then you have your main switch, which is, or your main part of your wiring harness, and that's gonna go right up to the top of this. Okay, now that we have all of that plugged in and kind of set and ready to go, basically what you're gonna need to do is secure it with this. And so you have one right here. So you need to secure this. So that guy goes right there. And then you have this one right here, which routes, this is so hard to show you guys. This one routes through this little channel, and then this clip gets placed right on here. And then this clip right here gets placed. Our taillight is literally ready to just slide in and you're done. Doing a little wire and cord management. Essentially, that's it, but I'm gonna turn this thing on and make sure that the vehicle actually works and that all the wiring works. You know, I like to make mistakes, so we're gonna see if I made any mistakes. First, we'll just, you know, try this. What? That's crazy. Now I gotta check the reverse, the left, you know, all the cool things. And now we're gonna turn the left blinker, see how that goes. What? Dude, that looks insane. I haven't even taken the plastic off. All right, let's see what the reverse looks like. In. Oh yeah, that's way brighter. Okay, enough of that. Let's turn this off. Okay, let's see if I lock it. See what happens. Not too shabby. Here, I'll show you just for kicks and giggles. This is the old one. It's kind of the standard lighting. Doesn't look that great. And then this one is way brighter and is way nicer. And remember, this one is the smoked lens. So I'm gonna pop this one back into place. There you go. Now all we gotta do is thread these bolts and this thing is in. Then we can go ahead and do the other side. There's one, two. Just tighten these guys up. All right, that oh so satisfying sound. Here, I'll put my head right next to it. Gotta love that. Okay, I did this one first because it had the luggage switch right here, and I wanted to make sure that you guys were able to see the one that I installed with the luggage switch. I'm gonna use the other one as more of like an Instagram reel, and so I'll film me doing the other one on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. So if you want to see that, just check it out on YouTube Shorts. No big deal, but this is how you put the luggage switch one in, which the other one is pretty much just plug and play. Well, thanks for hanging out, guys, as I got to show you how to install the Form Lighting taillights. Remember, these are the smoked version, and Form Lighting has a smoked version and a regular version on their website. I'll leave a link down below in the description and you can check those out. Don't forget to use my code DRIFT at checkout. Man, these just look so good, right? I mean, the other ones, not so much.